What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to the channel. I know. This is Gadget Beard, but by the title of this video, please don't judge me. Please don't judge me. Long time Android user, long time Google Pixel user has finally made the switch to the iPhone. I feel like I'm bougie now. I feel super luxurious. I feel like I belong part of the world now. I feel like I should be at the Hamptons sipping coffee, talking about stocks, talking about my beach house, talking about my vacations and all the money I have. And not only did I get an iPhone, but I got the iPhone 16 Plus in black, the blackest iPhone you can get. You know what they say about black? Once you go black, you don't come back. So without further ado, let's take a look at this blackest iPhone ever. It doesn't get blacker than that. So I don't think you need a knife. We have these little pull tabs here. Yoink, 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 yoink. Which epic failed. We have another pull tab here, which also failed. Apple, get better at your little pull thingamajiggies. So, move that aside. See, let's see. Oh, look at this. Absolutely looks amazing. Look at this beauty. And what else is in the box? This braided Type-C to Type-C cable. The iPhone little pamphlets. And they don't even give you stickers no more. No stickers no more from Apple. And that is it. No charging cable, anything of what's of that sort. Just an iPhone and its cable. And the color black. The blackest iPhone you can possibly get. Look at that. Boom. It does not get better than this. Now, before we take this screen protector off, we have the button here. I think what is it called? Action button. The action button is what we got there. Feels nice. Volume rocker, power button / Siri button, and we have the camera button right there. The infamous new camera button right there, which it is a button. You can touch it. And on the bottom, we have speakers and Type-C charging. On the back, little nice Apple logo, and the cameras. But this thing absolutely looks pretty darn good. Look at that. The blackest iPhone ever. So let me go ahead and boot this bad boy up and set it up. I think I'll do that in another video, actually. I need to put a tempered glass screen protector and a case before I do any of that. But yeah, you saw it. Lifetime Android, lifetime Pixel user. It's now an Apple fanboy. Yep. Blah. Meh. That was my attempt at sounding like a sheep, because I am an eye sheep. But yeah, anything you guys want to know about this device, let me know down in the comment section below. Suck! I ain't never going Apple. Never, ever in my life am I going Apple, boy. This phone right here is for my son. My son is a traitor. He has betrayed me at the highest level. He used to be a Google Pixel 8 owner, and this year he asked me for an iPhone 16. As a dad, I want to cry inside. I was angered. He really hurt my heart. He really did. He hurt me bad. He hurt me bad. But with that being said, I'm a good dad. So I bought him the iPhone 16 Plus. So this is his phone. I'm not going to turn it on, because if I turn it on, it's going to activate his phone. He's at school. And then I'm not going to be able to get a hold of him if I have to get a hold of him. But as soon as he gets home, I'll set it up, do a little walkthrough, maybe I'll have him do the walkthrough, but I do have to put a screen protector and a case on there because these kids are absolutely crazy when it comes to phones. And I did get insurance just in case he does break it or lose it. Thanks for watching. But if you have any questions regarding this phone, leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe because I'm still your Pixel guy. And I'll catch you guys on the next video, which should be interesting also. Blackest iPhone ever. Peace!